Look.
Subscribe.
Hey Jackie, since today's the 4th of July, also known as Independence Day, we are going to see the fireworks.
But Mom and Dad, I don't want to see the fireworks. I want to go to McDonald's instead.
Jackie, you heard what your father said. We are not going to McDonald's, we are going to see the fireworks, and that's final.
Fine.
Good. That's what I want to hear. Now let's get in the car.
Okay, we made it. Now let's wait for the fireworks to show up.
Hey Mom and Dad, can I go to the bathroom?
Sure Jackie, but come right back.
I'm going to skip the fireworks and go to McDonald's.
The fireworks just started, and Jackie has been back quick.
Wait a minute, I just knew Jackie just skipped the fireworks and went to McDonald's.
She did what? That's it, let's go get her right now.
That was delicious. Oh no. It's my parents.
Jackie, we can't believe you went to McDonald's and skipped the fireworks.
That's it. Let's go home right now.
Jackie, how could you skip the fireworks and go to McDonald's? Now our 4th of July, also known as Independence Day, is ruined thanks to you.
That's it. You're grounded for 2 weeks. Go to your room right now.
Yes Mom and Dad, I'm so sorry.